Okay guys, let's talk about how to add Windows Fax and Scan to desktop context menu. Okay, because if you want to make it for scanning, you are using a scanner and you want to scan some images and like that, so you have to run Windows Fax and Scan. Okay, no need to install the software for the scanner or like that. So you have to use first, if the driver for this printer or the scanner is already identified and the driver is already installed in your operating system, so no need to use any third-party program like this. Just run the Windows service, Windows internal service, built-in service. This, what is the built-in service, can run this scanner, can work with the scanner, is Windows Fax and Scan. Okay, let's see how to run it now. From your keyboard, just press Windows logo, then SC and enter. Okay, let's make it again. Windows and Windows, then SC, enter. Windows SC, enter. Windows logo and S, then C, then enter. Windows SC, enter. Okay, it will work. This is the fastest way how to run this service, Windows Fax and Scan service. So this is the first way how to run it from the start button like this, then write SC, then enter. Okay, it will work directly. So the second way how to run it from this command prompt. Okay, Windows Fax and Scan means Windows W, Fax F, and Scan S, WFS, enter. It will work directly. Okay, Windows Fax and Scan. This is the second way how to run this service. The third way how to make it as a shortcut on your desktop. Just right click and press new shortcut. Just make Windows Fax and Scan, SWFS, Windows Fax and Scan. So we created the icon for this Windows Fax and Scan. So double click, it will work the same. Okay, but today we will learn the fourth way how to run this service, how to add it to the desktop context menu. So the first one, how to first open the registry. Okay, from the first hive. Okay, first hive HK classes root, go to directory. Okay, and under this directory, background, under background shell, under this shell we will create the button will run this Windows Fax and Scan. Just right click, make it new key, we'll call it F. Okay, this is Fax and Scan, Windows Fax and Scan. We can you can name it whatever you want. Okay, but now it's not important to we don't care what is the name. Okay, whatever you will call it, no problem. At the right side, we will name this service, this Windows Fax and Scan, Windows Fax and Scan. Okay, this is the name of the button we created on the desktop context menu. Just right click, you will find Windows Fax and Scan. Just try to correct this to make it and this scan. This is a capital letter. So this is Windows Fax, also capital. So this is Windows Fax and Scan. So now Windows Fax and Scan. So how to give it an icon? This is the new command, how to give it an icon. Just right click at the right side of the button we created. Right click and make it new string value. Just name it icon. Okay. Inside this icon I'll write the executive file wfs.exe. wfx.exe. This is the executive file for the icon. We will take this command, will take this icon. So right click, Windows Fax and Scan, take the same icon of the service, Windows Fax and Scan. So how can we make it command? How can we create a command just to run this service? Because if we press now about the new created button, it will not work. Okay, until we make the new key under this key and name it command, new key, and make it command. Inside this command at the right side, just double click here, we'll write the same executive file, wfs, Windows Fax and Scan. Okay, .exe, because this is the executive file can run this service. So if we right now right click and press Windows Fax and Scan, it will work. Okay, because everything is completed now. Okay, this is the project for Windows Fax and Scan. So now we don't need this new shortcut on your desktop. Okay, so we have to run it from the desktop context menu like this, so it can be run. Okay, now we have to export this project. Export to desktop Windows Fax. Windows, we will name it Windows Fax and Scan on desktop. Okay, we name this icon like this, Windows Fax and Scan on desktop. This is for the project we created on the desktop context menu. This one. Okay, now how can we delete this button again? How can we delete from the system? So right click, create a new Windows command prompt. Okay, Windows command script. I write the same name, but I'll add delete because we will delete this value added to the system. So delete. Okay, so how to delete this one? The same like before. We reg delete HKCR, then backslash. Yes, right click, edit the full track for the new command we added to this system. Right click and make it copy. Go there and paste it like this. Make it some space and /F. /F means apply this command forced in this system. So now the command is already exists. So this command we created now will delete this button. Okay, right click, run as administrator. So right click now, disappeared. Okay, delete it from the system. So if we want to add it again, just the project we created and we exported before. So double click on the project and apply this project to the Windows. So it will be created and the service will be run. Just one click. Okay, single click, it will run. So if we want to delete this button again from the system, just right click, run as administrator and make it yes. So delete it from the system. So now we have to pack this script to make it available under this video so you can download it later. So send to compressed file. This is on desktop script. Okay, script, because this script will be available under this video, so you can download it anytime. Okay, after watching this video you can download this script and apply it to your system, Windows operating system. So now we reach to the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.